Singapore has always been one of the most popular destinations for Indian workers. Every year, thousands travel there hoping to earn a better salary, support their families, in fact, build a secure future. But for more than 400 migrant workers, that dream suddenly turned into a nightmare. According to the reports, hundreds of workers, most of them from India and Bangladesh, they were left without any salaries for several months after three construction related companies allegedly stopped paying the wages. The workers were employed by SK Industries, KPA Engineering, and VVR Plant Engineering. Reports say companies share a common director who now believes to have left Singapore and is currently uncontactable. Can you imagine working day after day in a foreign land, far from your family, only to discover that your salary has stopped coming? Rent still has to be paid, food still has to be bought. Families back home are still waiting for money, but your employer simply disappears. Thankfully, Singapore's National Trade Union Congress, along with the Migrant Workers Center and the Ministry of Manpower, stepped in to support the affected workers. More than 80 companies have already offered nearly 400 job vacancies, giving many workers hope that they will soon be able to restart their lives. Well, the workers have also received emergency financial assistance while the officials investigate the company and help recover unpaid salaries. Labor experts say that this particular case once again highlights the importance of stronger protection for migrant workers, specifically those who depend entirely on their employer for salary, accommodation, and legal work status. But still, Singapore remains one of the safest countries for migrant workers. But incidents like these remind us that every worker should understand their legal rights before accepting a job overseas. While one group of Indians is waiting for justice in Singapore, another incident in Canada has gone viral for completely different reason here. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes one short video on social media it can start an international debate. A video from Canada has sparked thousands of reactions online, and once again, it has put the spotlight on public responsibility. Well, the whole incident happened in Mission, British Columbia, where a local resident claimed that he saw three Indian men allegedly dumping an old sofa into a forest area near his home. Instead of ignoring the incident, he decided to follow their vehicle, stop them, and ask them to return to the spot. The viral video shows the men going back to the location, retrieving the sofa, loading it back into their truck, and later disposing it properly at a landfill. In the meantime, the Canadian resident, he later shared the video online with the message that people should respect the country they live in and dispose of waste very responsibly. Soon, the internet, it exploded with reaction again. Interestingly, many members of Indian community also supported the Canadian man's actions here. Several users said that a few careless individuals should never damage the reputation of millions of responsible Indians living overseas. Others pointed out that respecting local laws and keeping public spaces clean, it is everybody's responsibility, regardless of their nationality here. This incident serves as an important reminder. Whenever Indians travel, study, or work abroad, they always become ambassadors of their country. Every action, whether good or bad, it shapes how people perceive the wider Indian community. Fortunately, millions of Indians across the globe contribute very positively to their societies every single day through hard work, honesty, and community service. One isolated incident, it should never define an entire community. But it should certainly remind everybody about the importance of civic responsibility.